Hey guys, Chase here from OnTheSly. We were going to do a YouTube live, but YouTube shit and wants me to have 1,000 subscribers to live stream on my phone, so we decided, fuck it, Facebook Live it is. We'll post this video up to the YouTube channel once the live done and everything, edit, all that. But today, you see in the background, we're here with Ashley Lawrence's skid car between myself, Russell, Jim and Joseph, Joe behind the back here hiding. We'll be ripping the motor out. Ready.
Have we introduced Joe on the other than his car?
No.
No.
But
Joe's hiding.
ripping the motor out, getting ready for the new V6 to go in and get it ready for Murrawa. So stay tuned and watch us pull out a stock eco tech out of the VS. But anyway, come on camera, Joe.
Nah.
Come on camera.
No, because I don't want to be responsible for all the swearing that's going to happen.
This is Joe, or
Hey,
Joseph, as most of you may know him from my previous driver's interview.
Joe.
Joe, no, that's what the driver's interview was.
Fair enough.
So he's moved up here to Murrawa, and we're
Yeah, I let some crazy people talk me into coming up here. Blaming Russell for that one.
Sorry.
we're stoked to have him on board. Stoked to have him up here. Just another person that's got the same interests and hobbies as we do.
And I'm going to make them all fat.
Yes, very fat. So
All
we'll
right.
get stuck into it.
Push it in. I think that should be enough, mate.
That'll do.
You stick in the oil.
Well, that sounds like a you problem.
Okay.
That doesn't make much.
So, as everybody can see, Ashley is the proud owner, reluctantly, of a... anyway, it's a VS Calais. So, nothing special, full man spec, but it's pretty rough. It's going to need lots and lots of love.
I don't want the fucking leaves. There.
So guys, live stream done its magic and apparently it wasn't working. So we restarted it. So let's tear into the motor, eh? Pardon? Nah. Alright, well.
What, it's not out yet?
No.
Oh. What are you be doing? Why are you taking the air compressor off?
What was I told to do?
Why do you have to take it off?
I don't know.
Was it too much to do that?
I don't know. Yeah, but none can't take me 12 in the socket here. 11. That's got one in it, but... No, I do.
Get the telehandler out. Jesus Christ, bro.
camera lost signal apparently.
Huh? Yeah, it's lost signal. That's good. We're back again. Take 2 or 3.
Oh,
Or something like that. We're getting there. So those of you that have just joined us, guys, we had to, it dropped out signal. Moira was a country. So we got Boyhood Racer style fuel hose delete. Like I said, we're not going to use any of it. So I'm not sure, we haven't watched the first live stream back yet.
Someone wants to see Ash do a snorkel.
Oh my god.
She ain't going to be too keen on a snorkel on a weekday.
Why not?
We'll make that happen. We will make that happen.
I can do one.
Saturday.
I can do one instead right now.
You've got work tomorrow.
I don't care.
Yeah, I know. We realise you don't care.
Yeah. Oh, exciting news for OnTheSly VX. Woo! I have diff gears, I have extractors, and I have my ECU. Thanks to old mate Russ for picking them up, and thanks to
Aaron.
Aaron.
Cool.
Hi Sean, how are we?
Where are we at? That's them done, that's them done, that's them done.
Oh, the wild bill fuel in there. The wild bill.
That's fancy.
People are stupid.
This kit on the old car,
Yes.
Advertise for 600. Would you take 250?
That's just like
That's
the one I
like
had the other day.
Like, who gets off on offering less than half an advertised price?
Who on earth
cheers Aaron.
has something that
Advertised.
advertised and had a sold ticket on it for 3 fucking days?
And then messages
Special
you.
people.
And then when I say,
when can I see it?
it's been sold for 3 days, sorry, and they turn around and say, so is it still available?
When can I see it?
Yeah, and then let me know, Chan. I did fucking let you know.
It's sold.
You dig it? Alright, so we need to do some...
Ripping out the motor in Ashley's car.
So let's have someone ask me what we're doing.
Yeah, Sean's asking what we're up to.
Yeah.
Just ripping the motor.
So this is Ashley's new skid car, and Dad's. They're gonna dual pilot it. It's a VS Calais. It is. So like I said in the first one, if you didn't catch that one, it is like a wreck. I got it for free. It was going to the rubbish tip if it didn't. We rescued it, but it is that at that point in its life, if it was a 5 litre, just like the BT1 in the background, I would be putting it back on the road. But considering it's just an old Eco-Man that we have no keys for, we don't know what the hell it's done, the spark plugs are...
All we know, it was the old rubbish tip guy's fucking car that he left in his backyard for God knows how long, and we picked it up.
Spark plugs are toast. So, if that's any description as to what's on the inside, we'll see how we go. Alright?
We'll do that 650 Hollywell.
650 Holly, we're going twin 500s.
Mitch, how are we?
2 of them.
Cheers for tuning in.
Right, where did you got all the stuff off the top? I said yet. I was very clear on the yet bit.
But I want to run down on the 6 Sid Cream toolbox.
on the fully six Sitka and toolbox.
Where's that one?
This one.
That's not Sitka,
That's it.
that's
Oh, that's-
SP tools. Here, I'll give you a little rundown. This is my tool workbox, or my workbox, with all my
So feel free to donate any more tools.
Yes.
There's a few missing.
there is a few tools missing. You know, random bits and bobs and sockets and
It's supposed to be pulling a
oh,
motor out,
new
not
drills.
bloody worrying about tools.
Sorry. Oh, hello, Ashley.
Ah, she has here.
Oh no, no. No, it's not a new shed, Daniel. It's not a new shed.
New shed. Someone asked about a new shed.
Yeah.
The new shed is hopefully coming. We're working on it. We're working on it.
Oh, that's it. Nah, this one's gonna stay 6 of
No,
now.
this is so the tunnel was originally built to stay 6, and we copped a bit of shit when we dropped the 6 out and put the 8 in. So, but the intentions were always, when we did that, we had this car, so it was always going in here. So the 6 will still live on. This will always stay a 6.
Would you like a donor ZB RSV6 motor? We don't want trash.
Where are you, Daniel? Come over and give us a hand. Yes.
Fuck off with your mother's milk.
Yeah.
I don't even know what I'm doing. We know this, Chase.
Oh, it's warm.
Mine's better.
What will do?
Mine's better. Okay.
You really did stab yourself, didn't you?
I really did.
Hey Russell,
What?
this is how you drive, so you just let go. After this one, 360. Everyone says it's harder in the wagons.
Look at that. Right next to the bloke who did it. Hey, up the chute! Up the chute! Just let go. Hey, OnTheSly had official in-car footage or on-car footage of that video too, didn't he?
Yeah, dude. It was all well and good until the $5 hose plant let go.
$5 hose clamp. Always a $5 hose clamp.
But those who are going to be at Westdale, come down, say hi and jump in. The car will be going all weekend. If there's a spare seat,
It's
it's
fine.
free game. Up goes the weasel.
Dunsky. You wouldn't. Glad, right?
I think this suits me.
People want to know. People want to know who the real Chase is. Here he is. Dumpster diving.
What the fuck, Dave? She ran
Dumpster
away.
diving through the rag bag,
She got dressed, she ran away.
She's cross-dressing.
and and he's come out with that. Oh, Chase, come and bring your lady hands. And let's move this fucking thing out of the way. Uh, 25 years of
We'll say 50.
human, no, OnTheSly products. Gonna need a clean.
Up, drink her up.
Now we're through. Don't pull it out now, just go straight up. Because it's near the front of the car now.
How do you do with the tax and the motor out?
Hang on, just like those. Saw. What's this? Saw. Fucking. It's hard.
Do it, Russ. Make it harder.
We've already been under there with Jad.
Keep going up.
Yeah.
Now pull it a little bit towards you. Yep.
Okay, you can go more towards you.
Yep.
And then a bit more. Okay.
Not that far, keep going up.
I did it!
And Ashley's like, ta-da!
Ta-da! I did it!
So,
Good job. God, that was really tough.
that's how 5 bogans
Bush mechanic.
yank out, and there you go, take out of a Calais.
So you could be able to get the top open now.
Okay. Right, well, mission accomplished. Aaron. Hi Georgia. Righto guys, well, motor's out. I think we need to stop, stop around, don't we? This is not my channel.
Cheers for tuning in, guys, on up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bogans, Bush mechanic. Looking at the old entry check. Tune in for Saturday Night Live. Unsure on what's going on yet, but we'll keep you posted and we'll keep you updated. Make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. And we'll see you pad side.
Peace out.